Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you these awesome soft mint or peppermint marshmallows. And to make these I'm gonna need gelatin granule 20 grams, a cup of sugar, a cup of water, a cup of honey. You can see ingredients in grams and cups on the screen. Some salt, vanilla extract. I will use some powdered sugar for dusting, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and mint or peppermint extract. I'm gonna have the gelatin in my mixer bowl, and I'm gonna add a bit of water over it just to cover the gelatin, not all the water. And the rest of the water I'm gonna have it in a pot along with sugar, some salt, and of course honey. And I'm gonna have this on the stove to cook on slow fire until sugar will dissolve and the mixture will reach the temperature of 115 Celsius or 250 Fahrenheit. So try not to boil these, just cook it on slow until it will reach that temperature. So more like simmer it until it's gonna reach that temperature. And be careful, the mixture tends to boil and spill all over the stove, so keep an eye on it. When the mixture reaches the right temperature, take it off the stove and put it over your gelatin and start mixing super fast with your mixer. The highest speed you can get with your mixer, do that and pour all that syrup over. Continue to mix until your marshmallow mixture starts to cool down and it's safe for you to touch the bowl and not feel hotness. Add mint or peppermint extract depending what you have. I have a mint, really strong flavor, so I'm adding only a few drops. You can see that it's super fluffy. Add 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Don't forget vanilla as well. And I have here 1 drop of red food dye, and I'm gonna mix that just a tiny bit. I don't want my marshmallow mixture to be all pink, so I just let it like that, just a whisk or two, and that's it. I will pour my mixture in a dish that I greased with butter and powder with sugar, and I will have to let it cool down at room temperature. And after that, have it in the fridge until next day. This is how I did mine. You can put it even in the freezer. If you wanna make sure that your marshmallow will get off the dish, but trust me, it came off with no problem. Looks amazing and smells super nice. The second day, I dusted with powdered sugar on top, all over. Make sure that you have powdered sugar on hand over there. Powder it. I sifted powdered sugar all over. And with a really thin knife, I ran along the edge of these, so I can release the marshmallow mixture. With confidence, trust me, it comes off of your dish, but doing this step with the knife is gonna come out faster and in one piece. You're not gonna rip it off. turn it upside down and look, came off super nice. Dust it again with powdered sugar, and with a really sharp knife you can cut it in smaller pieces. It's a super cute dessert, and you can serve this as it is, or you can have it in your hot cocoa, or if you have open fire over there, you can even roast it a bit on a stick. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're gonna try these. They look super nice, and I'm gonna see you next time with another recipe. I have a really special dessert for you. So Valentine's Day will come soon, so I have a special dessert for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and find reasons to smile. I'm gonna see you here next time with another recipe. Bye bye.